Alright, if you have a 2000 from 2006 Toyota Tundra and you have these ugly three-way headlights, they can get all like faded and stuff like that. And you've probably seen other Tundras with these type of taillights. In my opinion, those look way better than these. I'm gonna see if they fit or not. Alright, so typically you're gonna have two bolts. They're gonna be 10 millimeters or 12 millimeters. I don't remember. All you have to do is unscrew this one here and this one over here. Alright, after you take off the two bolts there, you want just to pull the headlight towards. Do not let it hang because it might scratch your paint. You're gonna want to remove these three connectors. They just turn and twist. Alright, so when you remove the bulbs, you just want to push this cable down there. The new taillights will come with new bulbs, so I wouldn't worry too much about those. Alright, if you don't have a rear bumper, this is going to be way easier, but if you do, just crawl under the truck and you're going to see this little connector. You're going to want to unplug this connector and then just remove the old cable off. Since I routed my rear cables differently, I just have to pull down and it will come off. Alright, after you do that, you want to push the connector down from the new taillight and just make sure the taillights fit. Alright, as you see, they fit really nice. The fitment is actually pretty good for 80 bucks. Doesn't look that bad. It looks really good. Better than just these three-way taillights that look way ugly. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is reinstall your bolts over here. So after you install your bolts again, you want to come down here and reconnect the connector again. Alright, so I am going to get some night shots for you guys so you can see the difference between these and the other lights. Another thing I really like about these is that you can see the truck a lot better with these type of lights than the others. I am going to get the third brake light, but I still haven't found one that looks good. I'll probably order one in the future, but for now it's just going to stay like that. Alright, so here's a truck with one new style tail light. It looks really nice in my opinion. Compared to the old style, it's just a square, pretty bland. Now I'm going to do it with the turning signals. Alright, so here's a shot with the turning signals. In new style, you can see it's a little bit smaller, but it is a bit brighter than over here. As you can look, it's not that much brighter.